Hi guys, I'm Cameron from OGP, and today I'm going to be taking you through the new features of ZONE3 version 16. A new feature within version 16 is OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This is a process in which ZONE3 will read information from a part, such as inscriptions, part numbers, part markings, and you can tolerance against the desired inscription. This takes away a manual step within the inspection process of checking the physical qualities of the part and incorporates it into ZONE3, meaning you can have a more seamless measurement process, all built into ZONE3. That is also similar to another new feature, which is barcode and QR code reading within the software. What this can now do is you can place a barcode and a QR code underneath the camera itself. This will then read that value and incorporate those values into the program itself. Whereas before you may have had to use an external barcode scanner or an operator typing in those values, ZONE3 can now automate that process, once again streamlining any processes and quality procedures that are currently in place. ZONE3 can now incorporate more SOP-based information. So things such as videos and images are now more easily incorporated into ZONE3, meaning that it is now a much easier software for operators to be able to walk up, use, and you can take care of more of the measurement processes itself. As well as those operator features, the background of ZONE3 has now been massively improved. It continues to be updated to the latest versions of GD&T standards, as well as that the core infrastructure of ZONE3 continues to improve, and it's just as reliable as it always has been. And that was a quick introduction to ZONE3 version 16. For more information, go onto our blog on the website or contact a member of our team.